Hello friends, how you doing? Welcome to another video. My apologies from yesterday. I recorded an entire video with no sound. Hopefully I got sound this time. Okay, so pretty much yesterday, it was a good benefit, I guess. I did like 3 more trades from yesterday. Um and all trades that were green, um so I'm showing here my trades in a manner that you guys can see if this is legit or not. Because a lot of people that and I understand. I mean, it's hard to believe. It's hard to believe um, people on YouTube now because there's so many stuff. You right, so many indicators. But when people are showing you this, I mean, you can verify the trades. You can go and check them to see if they're true or not. I mean, I cannot make up these numbers. This is MetaTrader. Like, we don't control these numbers. It's not like we can type them. Anyways, welcome to another episode. Just want to show you guys that. I mean, you can see, oh, new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I am trading with this indicators right here. It's called Too Easy and also Simplicity indicator. Let me close the door because my daughter is yelling. Um, okay, so you guys can see pretty much the trades. This week it's been no losses. You can see them right there. And this is with the simplicity indicator and using also the strength meter here with this confirmation. Um, and again, I go to 30 minutes. To be honest, I'm going just with the strategy. I don't look at 1 hour and 4 hour. I think I should, but I mean it's working. I'm only going for 20. What I'm trying to say, even if I'm going against the major 4 hour trend or the daily trend, if we can catch a correction, I mean, a correction always in the 30-minute time frame, these moves are, all depends on the pair, obviously, but these moves are 60, 70 pips. If we go half of the way, you can get 25, 30 pips. That's what I've been catching right here. Okay, so I'm trying to say consistency, consistent. Excuse me. So this is my small account where I show the videos. I have a bigger account. It's like 5 times bigger than this, but I'm only gonna increase my lots a certain percentage every week. Just maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 in 2 or 3 weeks if everything keeps going the same way. I'm gonna show you. I mean, people keep asking me show your losses. I haven't got it lost yet. Okay, so I'm gonna show it here. I promise. If I get a loss or a losing trade, I am gonna show it. Why not? But this week it's been good. We still Thursday. Tomorrow's gonna be Friday. We'll see if we catch another 1 or 2 trades. So let me close this now. Again, welcome new subscribers. Welcome. So it's the strategy is pretty simple. With simplicity, I'm looking for triple arrows in the sell zone or in the buy zone. This blocks right here. If they're touching here, they're good. If they're out here in the center, they're no good. And you start developing a quick eye, real quick. You can do if you're going to take a trade or not, pretty much. Once you get that, we look into the strength. And for example, when I took this trade, if I took it, I don't recall, I look here and I was looking for 15 and 30 minutes green for this. Then I look down for the timing, and the timing of the entrance is obviously when you get here, but you want to wait until the Too Easy MACD, it's green. Also momentum indicator above the 100 line, And you have a surfer right here, which is short term, momentum, green, uh, and green on the long term. Sometimes you're gonna get like patches of in the short term here, little patches of red if you're going in a up in a trade going up, but that is just telling you that it's just a correction. But if this one is green, that one's green, that was green, you have triple arrows and everything looks good, the strength indicator, that is just going to be a little correction and it's going to keep going. As long as the strength meter keeps giving you those colors, you know that the buyers have the power at that moment. So it's a real good indicators. And I understand. Trust me, guys. I understand. I know. Um, if you get the simplicity, it's. I don't want to say it's expensive, but for some people, it's. Um, I was learning the difference between costly and expensive. It's costly because it is worth it, right? But some people don't have those available funds. You know, there's mortgage, rent, bills, all kinds of stuff. Um, but that is the reason that Uncle P created, other indicators that are more accessible, like the strength indicator right here. And you're probably the strength. If you get the strength indicator, it comes with this strength. It comes with this one right here, the MACD, and it doesn't come with this one, but this one it's free. You can just add it. Excuse me, I've been coughing a little bit, so I had to pause it a little bit. Okay, so this one, and then you also don't get this blocks right here, but uh, let me do something, okay? Because I'm what I'm trying to say. It's possible to trade the same strategy with without those indicators. Let me see if I can move this a little bit like this, and I'm gonna go here, indicator list. See if I can do what I'm trying to do here. So I'm gonna get rid of the surfer. I'm gonna get rid of the symbol changer is also a free indicator. Okay, you can find it online. Gonna get rid of the too easy. No, that's the one we need. BART alert is free. Gonna get rid of simplicity. And also trading session and this little blocks right here, they're also free. Okay, let me close it. Okay, so if you only buy this, which is around $100, you can have this right there. And what you want to do in the 30-minute, it's to look for this moves pretty much, right? The swings. And when you're looking at the charts, make sure that you don't have your charts. Let me move up a little bit now. Like way big like that, because you can, when you're analyzing, because you cannot see the whole story, it's better if you crunch it like this and you have a better story. Okay, it had a swing high, swing low, swing high, now it's in a swing low. Okay, but what are the characteristics? For example, in the 30 minutes I have a swing low right here. For example, if I was trying to catch this trade up right here, this swing up, this was coming down, and I have these two indicators are free also, is the 8 and the 50. You see that cross right there, and then you look down, look at the MACD going up, look at the momentum above the 100, and you enter the trade. You enter the trade, you put your stop loss. You can put it below here and just go for 1-to-1. Let me see if you enter. Let me make this bigger now, okay? So you can see a little more clear. That's the same area over here. Let's say it was a green right there. Let's say you enter around here. So let's say you enter here. That was your stop loss. It's below this low. And then you're going for a 1-to-1. 1-to-1. That's all you want. You don't need more. 1-to-1. And you'll get it. You know, you'll get it. You'll get it. But obviously, every single time you get this cross, the easy is up, the momentum is up, you're always going to get some pips. Even if you're scalping, look at that, 25 pips right there. Let's say you got out right there, you're happy with 25 pips. You don't need a lot of pips to make a lot of money in Forex. Then you let it go, and you know you're in an uptrend as long as you know the 8 is above the 50 in the price. So it what you can do again is, let's say this cross down, and if you see a cross again right here at 8 and the 50, look down again, look down and see if that is above the middle, the 0 line, and see if the momentum is about 100. So you can go again for a few pips, 39 pips just to that, no problem. And if you know, if you know how to trade, you can put your stop loss here for that trade right here. And then what you can do is, that one jumps up like that, don't get out, just move your stop loss right here to the next low. And then if he does, what I would do also, not to lose a lot, is to move below the 50 right here. And then if it comes, because if it crosses the 50, there's a good chance it's going to go lower, right? So right here, that's like break even. And then if it does that, okay, that went another high, you can move it again as long as you're below the 50. And then it's going to come and visit the 50, and if it's trending up, it's just going to touch it, and it's going to go again, okay? It goes up, and then you can probably move it a little bit higher. All depends. You can trail by 10, by 20, whatever you want. And then on this one, probably if you put it there, you were here, you put the stop loss there, it can probably take you out right there. But if you give a little room, to breathe, if you want to follow it, and you can just ride it all the way pretty much if you're careful with the trade. That happens all the time. Excuse me. So, what are we waiting now? What we are waiting, it's and another advice that I can give you. This EMAs, they're not like walls that the price is gonna rebound all the time, but they're like areas. Like you can see right here that it came in the 50 area, and then it bounced up, and then it went up again, and that's the 50 area. But it's an area, the 50 area. Once you see that the 8 crosses the 50, okay, that's a good clue. That's when you know, okay, I'm gonna look down and see if there's a chance for a scalp or something. And look down, and you can see that when it's something is changing. Let me make this a little bigger too. When the trend is changing, or the small trends like 30 minutes, you'll see this crossing, and it has to do that. The structure, he's got to build it pretty much. Okay, so look down here, put this hair across, look down. If your MACD is below your percent, the momentum is below the 100, just go into trade and start moving your stop loss with the 50. Start moving your stop loss with the 50. Just give him some chance. Okay, so I just wanted to give you another way to trade this. I don't want to say you don't need simplicity, because it makes it a lot easier, but you can make money this way. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna start recording maybe in a couple weeks, just trading without simplicity, just with this one, just to prove that there is possible. Okay, it is possible. I have experience of trading. I look other things too, to know if the trend is going to change. But okay. So just look for that. So for example, where's your USD? Your USD. Okay. So what have we got right now? We got Euro USD just coming down. So if you see, later that Euro USD, the 8 crosses, and then you have this, and this is crossing, and the momentum is crossing also, catch it, and try to go for 15, 20 pips. Because this can easily just go up and then do another low, which I think it's gonna do, because normally we need to have a divergence before it does the real reversal. But you can still catch a good amount of pips. Oh wow, that was crazy right there. You can still catch a good amount of pips. Okay, so I just want to talk to you guys about that, trying to help out. Don't worry if you don't have simplicity. If you want to get a strength indicator and use this, is real good, real good system. Use the 50, use the 8. This is the way I do it. Okay, I'm not sure. Uncle P uses another indicator here for an MA, but you can use the MAs. Okay, that works good. The 8 and the 50 are very popular. A lot of people are using it. Those are the most popular in the world for stocks and forex. The 8, the 20, the 50, and the 100, and the 200. Those are the main ones. Okay, so I just want to show you guys that. I'll make another video on Saturday. Please hit that bell notification. What I'm trying to do in the future, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, because that's when the algorithm for YouTube is gonna let us do like live trading. And what I'm planning to do, it's wake up in the morning and do a live trading, look for opportunities, and just enter the trades. So please help me out. Share the channel. I want to get to that moment so we can all do it together. Okay. I am not planning to charge nothing. I just promote the simplicity and promote the 2 easy indicators also. And I don't have a Telegram channel, but there's I have a Telegram chat where you can talk to me or ask me questions. Thank you very much. See you guys again on Saturday or Sunday to do another analysis for this wonderful system. Okay, and remember, I do top-down analysis. I like to do the daily. Look at the daily right there. Boom, it's going up. So the main river, it's going up. The daily 4 hour, it's going up. Boom, 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 up. Okay. And I mean, this can do drops, but it can still going up. So that's where it is. That's the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we have this small correction, or reversal, we don't know until it happens, pretty much. Okay, so we'll see what happens with that. What I think it could happen here, the way I see it, is it can go high a little bit, and then it can go another drop, and then after that is gonna decide if it's gonna keep going down or continue in the way up. But normally the train is up, so we'll see what that brings. Okay, so thank you guys. God bless you all, and see you guys very soon.